I'm an idiot. So I'm an idiot, and I left the SD card for the GoPro in the computer. So I just filmed a whole 5-minute video of our campsite that saved to nothing. But what I was saying is we drove up to our campsite. We were a little late, so we didn't get any video of it, though we probably would have caught it had we started filming then. It was like 7 miles of dirt road to get out to our site here. But it was relatively smooth considering the dirt road. Ow. I just bonked my head. I fucked this up. Drove through it, cut it in half. Let's not talk about it. We have this cool little teepee over here. The boys are hanging out in there chewing some bones. They finally calmed down a little bit because they were freaking out with all the rain. But they're nice and dry in here. We unpacked the camper into here just to keep all of our stuff dry. And then when it gets darker, we'll probably just retire into there. Gotta say, the awning was a breeze this time. We're pros now. And then we got a couple neighbors down over there. And there's one down there. They let us turn around. That was really nice of them because we had the camper and I wouldn't even say it's enough road for one car.
Yeah.
And Courtney hated the road.
It's terrifying. So bumpy. What do you call it? Graded?
It was graded.
We were all whoop, 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 whoop.
Courtney wants to be in this video. She says I never talk about her. Also, your flashlight's still on.
Oh.
She's coming. Oh my God. Oh gosh. The rain is finally slowed down, and I felt bad about setting the fire pit up so early. Turns out it's not early. It's already almost 8 o'clock, and we haven't even started dinner.
So, it's raining, which is not in itself bad, but the boys are being annoying AF. And they want to be outside with us, but they don't want to stay dry, so they get wet. And they don't want to be wet, so then they want to go in the tent. Then they don't want to stay in the tent, they want to go in the camper. But they're wet. So we keep having to dry them off and move them around. And now they're in the camper and they're whining. And you can hear them right through here. And we have the window open for them so they can hear us. They can see us, so it's not like we've gone anywhere. But so they can hear us. But they scratch when they want to come out, and I don't want them to break the screen, which I mean, they could anyway, I suppose, but it's frustrating. But we got these cool vintage koozies, so that's fun. And this cute rug that we need desperately because everyone's going to be all muddy, our shoes are going to be all muddy, and I don't want to be muddy when we're in there. I suspect a strong laundry day is in our future for tomorrow. With all the bedding and sleeping bags and pillowcases and everything. Because it's going to be muddy and it's going to be wet and it's going to be gross. So.
Moment of truth. Hey! Oh, yeah. Listen to that. It's okay, little boy.
And big boy. I'm making din-din.
In the dark. I thought maybe tonight we would have to turn the heater on, but it's very warm in here and we have both windows open, so we have a good breeze going. So we're gonna put a movie on because that's what we do when we go camping now, is we watch movies to go to sleep.
What was that? Whoop, whoop, whoop.